Worried that varying monthly coaching payments could trigger a freeze? Many creators face sudden holds just because their billing is not consistent, even when everything is legitimate. Here's a quick way to visualize your monthly coaching income. Logging totals and averages helps you see if any months might look unusual to a payment processor. Even with tracking, banks may still flag accounts if your recurring payments vary too much. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their thorough underwriting process ensures banks understand your variable billing model, protecting your recurring income from unnecessary holds. And with features like recurring billing, your client payments stay smooth month after month. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. Their transaction routing feature also keeps payments stable if any hiccups occur in one account. If your coaching business has variable recurring payments, EasyPay Direct makes it simple to keep accounts stable and income flowing. Use the link in the description to get started today.